Hi, hello, and welcome to our channel Royal Architecture. I am Amrut Kumar. Today, I am excited to take you through one of our ongoing 33-year-old load-bearing home renovation project, which includes both horizontal and vertical extension at Girinagar Bangalore. As a part of duplex conversion, the old staircase was demolished. Earlier, the first floor had a small living area, a kitchen, two tiny bedrooms, and one bathroom. The master bedroom has been expanded through the new extension, giving it better lighting and ventilation. First bedroom, which was very small earlier, has been now merged with the old kitchen to create a large first bedroom with a walk-in wardrobe. First floor extension, we designed a sit-out area accessible from both the family living and master bedroom. We also added a traditional hanging chula in the southeast corner, making it a relaxing and aesthetic space that adds to the front elevation charm. subscribe to our channel